Alright, so we cleaned the carpet, we power washed it, we used an extractor, cleaned it really well, got the interior in. All going smoothly so far. That's all fixed up. So now I'm working on the mounting, cab mounting. And you'll see now if you're cutting off these are part of the frame, so I cut these off to do the patchwork. The only other way you can change these is if you raise the cab up. So it's one of those things, well, you're already in there, you might as well do it. These aren't cheap. I mean, these are like $50 or something ridiculous for just these rubber parts. That, if you believe it, went like that. Brand new one looks like that. This I probably could have reused, but I didn't think of that. But these things, I mean, look at this. This whole rubber part is just totally gone. I couldn't put that back in the car like that. I mean, you can just see the difference, how terrible this looks. That's just insane. Totally deteriorated, both of them. Like this one, this rubber top is just, you can just peel it off. It's trashed. Totally trashed bushing in there. So I had to get one new mounting bolt because one of mine broke, and then you need 2 nuts because they're lock nuts. This one I could save, clean the threads on that. So what I'm going to do is first figure out which side, left and right, I don't remember. I should have marked them. And then bolt this to the cab, so that's fairly tight, and then I'm going to jack up the cab and see where this sits, and then just weld it in place. So that's my plan for that. I just wanted to show you that, you know, if you're going to cut these off, you might as well replace these cushions. So that's that. Onward and forward.